welcome to Mrs. Diva. Welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Diva, YouTube channel of Mrs. Diva, and now TikTok channel of Mrs. Diva as well. So I hope you guys are doing good, and I really wanted to thank you all for extending so much support to Mrs. Diva. I know a lot of you have started sharing my updates and my statuses, and I really want to request all of you, those who are doing it well and good, and I really thank them from the bottom of my heart to for their support. And I want to request others also that please share my updates, please share my statuses, and please share my videos. You can WhatsApp it to your friends, you can share the YouTube link, you can also share it on Facebook, you can share all the posts that are on my Facebook page. They are shareable. Facebook group posts are not shareable because our group is a private group wherein nobody from outside the group can see what we are sharing within the group. So when you want to share a status, either share it from my profile, my personal profile, or from my Facebook page. Okay, so the topic for today's discussion or today's video is how to leverage Valentine's Day for your business growth and business promotion. So I'm just going to discuss a few ideas and I will keep taking on examples of some of the businesses and how they can use it. So the first thing that we have to understand is that this time of the year sees a surge in the spending money around things like flowers, gifts, jewelry, food vouchers, movie vouchers, or clothes. So anything that can be gifted. Usually people tend to spend a lot of money, or they spend good amount of money during this time of the year. So now how can you leverage this fact that we know? So first thing is always try to come up with 2-for-1 offers. So this 2-for-1 offers, they are very famous and they are very usual for Valentine's Day because it basically just represents couples. So you are giving something for the price of one. You're giving two things for the price of one. Now it could be anything. It could be jewelry, it could be gift item, it could be anything. So just try and think how can you come up with a 2-for-1 offer for your business. Then the next thing is try to change the appearance of your Facebook page and use more of red. So how can you do it? So whenever you're making a creative, try to use red background, try to use little bit of hearts in your post. So this way you will just gather more eyeballs, and people will be they will know definitely that this post is related to something related to Valentine's. And at times people during this time of the year, people are generally very interested in Valentine's Day, and they tend to read a little bit more, pay attention a little bit more if they see those red hearts and red colors. So this is one way. Then you can also use hashtags, because this time of the year the companies, or for example the social media platforms, they automatically give boost to the posts that are related to the upcoming event, in this case Valentine's Day. So you will get that boost, that required organic growth from the platform itself. So if you're on Instagram, or if you're on Pinterest or on TikTok, try to do a little bit more play a little bit more with the hashtags, research your hashtags and use Valentine's or hashtags related to Valentine's a bit more. Then you can ask their followers to share their love stories with you. So if you have a page and you are doing something related to gifting, ask people to share their stories with you. People love sharing their stories, and use this fact to grow your business and to grow and to get more visibility, because this is very very useful for resellers and people who are into reselling of or in selling of apparel, clothes. आपके लिए ये बहुत important हो जाता है, because then you can connect with people and they will know that this is a platform wherein we can share about ourselves. So this is just one of the ideas, and probably you can think about doing a contest around the same thing, and one lucky winner could get a gift from you. So you can basically run couple contests on your page or in your group and ask people to post their pictures, their couple pictures, and the picture that get maximum likes will win a gift from your side. So this idea is very good for resellers and apparel sellers and gift sellers, and for who else, that yes, bakery, of course, if you have your own bakery, उनके लिए भी idea जो है वो बहुत useful है. And then you can also share out information about nice places where couples can go for dinners. Also restaurants that are famous for probably candlelight dinner or for couple dinners. So share out this information. So for example, if you are into a travel related business, this information coming from you will be very authentic, and you don't have to really put in a lot of effort over here. I'm sure everybody, we all go for dinners and all, and we just share your own personal experience. Or you can just Google and think and see which are the major big restaurants that are organizing some good functions, or some good they're providing some meal experiences. So just share out this information. This can be done by anybody, but of course it is beneficial, especially in case of people who are in travel business, who जो packages design करते हैं, और bloggers और vloggers जो कि vlog बनाते हैं, उनके लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा idea है. They can do it because इस time पे any video or any blog written around it will get automatically that organic push. So which is the best thing that can happen, and which is the thing you require the most. Then you can also, bloggers and bloggers, they can organize a small couple quiz. So just put together a few questions for the couples, and you can put it on your blog and invite people to see how much they know their spouse. So wife can take the quiz and husband can take the quiz, and they can match their answers. So this is another very interactive kind of quiz, which is very helpful. Then you can offer discounts on meal boxes, and if you are in catering, or if you are a food in food industry or food business, then offer discounts on couple boxes or meal boxes for couples. So it is just another way to attract them, and you can also send in one brownie or one small chocolate or cake with the order, and you can say that this is our Valentine promotion and all. So this might be able to give your food business a little bit of boost, and you'll see a surge in your ordering. And then you can put together a gift guide and provide ideas. This is a very good idea for bakers. So if you're into baking of cakes or muffins or what else, cupcakes or something, cookies or brownies, then do this thing that put together a list of list of gifts that you can give to your spouse, and make sure that first gift you keep it as a cake, and do post pictures also. So this can be a very, very good idea. This is kind of indirect marketing and advertising, because you're not telling people directly to buy cake from you, you're just kind of subtly suggesting it. So this works very well. And then you can collaborate with each other and collaborate. So for example, bakers can collaborate with bloggers and vloggers, and gifting partners, people can you can collaborate with, if you're into gifting business, you can collaborate with someone who's selling apparel and offer bundle deals, bundled offers. So this is another idea. And then if you have a space of your own, or if you have a small establishment, then you can organize a small functions. And if you do not want to invite couples, just invite women only. So a very big part of Valentine is about loving yourself also. Not everybody could be a couple, and it is not necessary that you can invite couples, but you can simply invite women also, and talk about a little bit about self-love, and because loving yourself also is very, very important. So it could just be another way to catch up with friends also, because even friends are Valentines. So just a small function or just a small gathering, and you can probably remind yourself that you have to love yourself also. So if you are in a into again food industry, because I'm taking again examples of food industry, because that's something that runs that is very very basic and everybody needs it. So then you can, or of course if you're into event organizing, and you can organize a small get together for singles. Guys, don't forget singles. So a lot of people, most of the businesses, they only target couples, and people tend to forget singles. But this is something that is probably a very big gap, and you can bridge this gap. So cater your services to singles also, because not everybody is a couple, and singles also have this right to enjoy Valentine's Day, guys. So just think about something for them also. So you can just organize a party for singles. So people who do not have spouses, or people who do not have boyfriends or girlfriends, simply organize party for them. And then if you have an institute or a preschool or a daycare, then you can offer to keep the kids for extra 2-3 hours, and let the parents enjoy a movie or a dinner or something like that, and or maybe a lunch date. So just think about it, that you can organize play dates or movie dates with kids in the preschool. You can screen a kids movie, you can screen a cartoon movie, so that parents, they have they are assured that our kids are safe and in their own daycare, and we can go and spend our time. This is a very good trust building activity with your clients. They will really love you for this, guys, and trust me, they will never ever go to another daycare or school if you start doing these kind of activities for them. And then probably okay, fine, this is a little bit of a crazy idea, but you could maybe go to a mall, you could maybe go to a place that is beautifully decorated, and if you're coming up with a new product, launch a product from there. Go live from the mall. But don't forget to carry your headphones or your AirPods, because otherwise that audio will be very muffled and people will not be able to hear you. But then go live. Just go to the mall and go live from there, and release your new product from there, or release your new promotion from there. It will be a great idea. People will really enjoy it. So I'm not saying that you don't post any creatives after that. I'm just saying that use that live option. So see how you can combine two things: live with the latest promotion that is going on, or with the late upcoming festival. So just connect these two, go live from a mall, and release your new product, and use that platform as your product showcase platform. And then it is a very good time, guys, for numerologists, for palmists, for tarot card readers. You can offer couple readings to them. So this is very this could be a very good thing, that you can collaborate with someone, with a group or something. So if any tarot reader or numerologist wants to collaborate with Mrs. Diva, please do come up. We can announce a contest. We will already be announcing a very very big contest tomorrow. So we can announce along with this, we can offer couple readings. So this will be a very very good promotion for you. ये टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, guys. इसको बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भी वेस्ट नहीं करेगा आप लोग. आप अगर अपना कोई कॉन्टेस्ट करें तो अपना कॉन्टेस्ट आप ऑर्गेनाइज कीजिए, और उसमें आप कपल रीडिंग्स जो है वो रखिए एज अ गिफ्ट. सो बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि जो विमेन होती है, दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड. उनको पता है कि हाँ, मैंने टैरो रीड करवाना अपना कार्ड, या मुझे न्यूमरोलॉजी में इंटरेस्ट है, बट स्पाउसेस आर नॉट. सो this could just be an encouragement for them, that okay, let's just try, what is this, let's just be open to this idea. And then last idea that I have for today is that if you can collaborate with a photographer, then offer couple shoots, guys. So अगर आपके सर्कल में कोई photographer है and you are able to collaborate with them, then gift में आप offer कीजिए couple का shoots. This is going to go crazy, guys. Couple shoots बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करते हैं, because husbands, they are never interested. Wives, they always want to get clicked. So this could be and this could be one thing for the wife to tell the husband कि देखो, आपका मैं कोई खर्चा नहीं करा रही हूँ, मैंने ये विन किया है और इसमें आपको मेरे साथ चलना है. So this could go very crazy. So I know this is a crazy idea, but then let's be crazy sometimes. So just go for this idea also. So I think, as I'm for most part I'm done, and if you guys want to brainstorm with me, you can connect with me for your own business, then we can specifically talk about your businesses. Okay guys, until we meet next time, bye bye.